How close am I? Really close? It's gonna hurt. Oh, I touched it. Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Transcend 251BH. Before we get started, again with our reminders, like this video, leave us a comment along the way, and subscribe to our channel. And did you know that you can text our store? May not have time for a phone call, but you just send us a quick text and we can get started on your adventures. Another reminder, we did a full walkthrough for the 2022 model, so if you're interested in a more in-depth walkthrough, check that out, but we're just gonna take a look around. Starting at the most exciting point is this bunk bed. So this floor plan features bunk beds and a regular living space that you can either use your bunk bed or hide it away. We also have plenty of space down below via this sofa that goes completely flat and makes a giant bed down there. Let me show you. I would say the lower bed is a little bit bigger, of course, than the top one, but they're both really comfortable. You have a light for each, and you can even reach all of the charging ports from the top and the bottom. We have a wardrobe to my left that has a mirrored front, and it has a built-in ladder right next to it. So we pretty much checked off all of our boxes if we're wanting to bring any guests or kids with us. But let's take a look at our theater seating option. Theater seating is always a favorite, so you've got 3-seater or 2, as you can see here, with some awesome cup holders and an armrest. And don't forget, we had bunks, but with just a flip up and they stay up, you've got an extra place for guests to come and sit or possibly take a nap. It's really close to our entryway here that does have a nice glass front, so we got a little bit of light shining through. That way you can see all of your controls on your control panel and your indoor-outdoor speaker system. It's all located right when you get in this camper. But now let's talk about this kitchen. We love Transcend kitchens because they always incorporate our entertainment space, but gives us lots and lots of countertop space for prepping and or having an awesome arrangement of appetizers for your guests. We've got lots and lots of storage with drawers and extra places, and check it out, our fuse box is located right here. It's pretty close to our control center. And we've got our 3-burner top Furrion stove. Again, I love the backlit knobs. And our sink, pretty standard. It's massive, but everything's pretty standard here. You even have enough space down below for a large kitchen trash can. And your fridge is located next to your theater seats. Again, plenty big. I love the LED lights inside, and these look great from the outside too. But let's move back towards the back of the camper. One thing I have to rave about when it comes to Grand Design and their walkthrough floor plans of the bathroom is how big they make these doorways. It really makes it feel like it's easy to get from one space to the other. You don't have to sort of shimmy around your bathroom toilet. You've got plenty of space to walk through, and or if someone's getting ready, you have enough space for 2 people. And you've got a little bit extra storage above, below, and our shower conveniently tucked away. And we have lots and lots of lighting with the skylight, removable faucet, and built-in door already. But now to a really amazing part, the private bedroom. This floor plan's private bedroom is a little bit different than others that I've seen from the Transcend line. We have a queen size bed. We also have a little bit more storage up top, and instead of side tables, they give you this open cubby space with charging ports inside for your electronics while you're sleeping. You do have one light that you can turn on and off while staying in bed. But check this out, you may not need that light with all of these windows, especially this one. From your bedroom, wherever you're parked, your back view will be your bedroom view. So I can only imagine how many mornings you'll wake up and see that first thing. That would be so amazing. But across from our bed, we have our whole closet system here. It's 2 different wardrobes that are mirror fronted. They do have a hanging bar in there as well. But down below, you've got open storage, drawers, and even a few more open cabinets here. 1 more window across, so 1, 2, 3, 4 windows in this entire room, and a place to put your TV. Now to the outside. Your pass-through storage is pretty standard. We have a battery disconnect, you've got lights, and you even have that solar gauge upgrade that they added. And you have a little bit extra storage in the back on the driver's side of this camper. That just makes sure that you've got every space you need for any of your adventures that you may be packing for the weekend or maybe even more. But what do you think of this Transcend? Would you like to know more about this or any other Transcend that's on our lot? Well, give us a call or even text our number and visit us here at Cookeville RV and Marine. We would love to say hi because your adventures await.